Welcome to Phoenix, Arizona. Today, we're exploring this capital city known for its warm weather, beautiful desert landscapes, hiking trails, and Native American culture. Let's go check it out. We start our tour in the Scottsdale Old Town, which is only 25 minutes from Phoenix. We are in Scottsdale. The original name of Scottsdale is Orangedale from 1894. Duke. We are in the Scottsdale Old Town, Frontier Town. Scottsdale Old Town is filled with bars, saloons, tourist gift shops, and art galleries. Segway tour. We are in the park in front of the Scottsdale Center of Performing Arts. Really chill place, and right behind these guys is the Saguaro Hotel. The Saguaro Hotel is a funky and colorful boutique hotel, and the rates are around $159 during January. Bam!
Scottsdale, visit Phoenix.
Route to Scottsdale Museum of Contemporary Art.
Wow. Each one of these round bulbs lights up at night, and they all carry the sound of the birds. They just like stream right past you. This is the James Turrell Night Rise. Wow. So we are inside James Turrell's Night Rise here at the Scottsdale Art Museum, and it's basically a giant sky beam. This circular bench, it's as elemental as you can get. It's literally just a room of concrete. This is free and open to the public, so it is like the coolest free park bench. You can watch the clouds go by, and Mike is just chilling. So it is the end of the day here. We are at the Scottsdale Museum of Art. It's just about to close, but you can hear the beautiful exhibit, the installation of the skylark birds. Down a purple path. Prince! Oh yeah. This little neighborhood is a historic district called the FQ Story. Look at these cute little homes. We have a bikini tiki lounge here. Look at this cool mural. Ah! We are finding so many cool murals in town. It is like an outdoor museum that you have to hunt for. Welcome to downtown Phoenix! Downtown Phoenix is modern and growing and includes many notable buildings, including the Convention Center. We are going in the Heard Museum. They have an exhibit here on Hockney. Ooh, we're going inside the Courtyard Cafe. So this is the David Hockney exhibit. This one was done with iPad drawing printed on paper. So David Hockney is an iPad artist. Look at this. Very limited color palette, but it all shows Yosemite, different scenes. Look at this giant basket found near Yosemite. this was one of the more thematically powerful exhibits in the museum. So this museum is built in a historic building built in 1929, and I just walked through a section called Away from Home, talking about a section of American history that is very much a hidden chapter, and it is the American Indian boarding schools that happened from 1879 to present. The museum takes you on a journey through Native American identity and showcases what it was like to be uprooted and assimilated into quote-unquote American culture. This is a map of the tribal lands, and we are right here in Phoenix. Yeah, so these baskets were for transplanting agave and the cholla cactus for food, and this one is shaped in the form of a 5-petal squash blossom. So we are inside the Heard Museum, and they have one of the best collections of Native American art that I've ever seen, including all of the beautiful baskets and pottery. This is a Navajo Hogan. Wow. They have a replica of a Pueblo oven. Hello, we are at the Heard Museum in Phoenix. We just finished up at the museum. There were some beautiful exhibits.
Really nice. We saw the David Hockney exhibit, inspiring. So much beautiful Native American art centered on the U.S. Southwest. We were so happy to be here.
Come check it out. Woo! So the Phoenix area is famous for their hiking trails. Today we're hiking Lookout Mountain Park. So this is interesting. This is some information about the weather, and come prepared when you hike here, especially between April and October, because it gets very hot. Luckily we're here during January and it is nice and cool, probably about 60s, 70 degrees, and it's January. Two items I brought on my hike today: some sunscreen and water. So this hike is a great alternative to Camelback Mountain hike, which can be very crowded. So as you can see, there's nobody on this path, just a few locals. And it's right behind a neighborhood. So we just parked and walked right in. So this tree right here is the state tree, and it's green, even the branches. Look right between these peaks. You can see the downtown. So we're midway through the hike and we've just reached a lookout point, and we can see the valley down below. It's really beautiful. What is your favorite hiking trail in Phoenix? Comment below. Oh my God, this is incredible. Wow. Wow. Woo! We've reached the top of the peak. Wow, this view is amazing. You can see straight down. This is incredible. It's 360-degree views. If you like these desert views as much as we do, be sure to smash that thumbs up button down below. Literally soaring above the entire city.
God, we're hiking among the cacti with epic views. Check this out.
Wow.
I'm breathless.
We are surrounded by mountains and cactus.
Welcome to Phoenix.
Woo! After our hike, it's time for a cold refreshment, so we head over to Four Peaks Brew Company in Tempe, Arizona.
Four Peaks Brewery.
We're at Four Peaks Brewery, Arizona, taking a tour.
Their habitat, so like a Belgian 60.
Four Peaks helped define craft beer in the Southwest, and we learned how the magic is made in the brew tour. Next, we head to the bar to sample the different beers. So we are at Four Peaks Brewery. Mike, what do you have there?
All right, so we've got the Desert IPA right here, and this can endure over 110-degree temperatures. So exciting! It's so good.
This is the Zaracole, and this animal is indigenous to Arizona, and it's featured state mammal featured in this IPA.
Oh.
Phoenix is known for its indigenous saguaro cactus and beautiful desert landscapes. And to check it out, we head to the Desert Botanical Garden. These are the teddy bear cholas that are usually found in Joshua Tree. So we're on the Desert Wildflower Trail, and we're here in the Sonoran Desert. Wow, there's tons of birds. This is so cool. We are in Tempe at the Desert Botanical Garden. There are so many different types of cactuses here in this botanical garden, but our favorites are these saguaro cactuses, which you'll see all over Phoenix. Look at how tall they grow, straight up. This is where you can see all the cacti in one place. And the entry is $29 for adults. I like these ones because they're not prickly at all. They're actually fuzzy.
Wild animal sightings.
Woo! What? These tall, skinny ones are called the Mexican fence post cactus. So all cacti are succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. We have the Joshua tree that normally grows in the high desert. This one is called the old man cactus, and it's hairy. So this is talking about how the desert plants survive with such little water. They have ribs that provide shade and help the plant expand for maximum water storage. Pretty cool. So here's a fun fact. Cacti are native to the Americas. Oh! We hope you get to check out Phoenix very soon. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more travel videos.